Good morning, Richard Eckley here. Happy Monday morning to you. A nice one here in Swansea today. Blue skies, so it's happy days. We're on a Monday, so we're on a Health Monday on your 4 keys to a healthier, happier you. And today it's about the mind-body connection. As said on numerous occasions, we are a mind with a body, not a body with a mind. Our mind controls who we are. Whatever we do, it's all through our mind and our brain, not the other way around. That's how things work. And so the food we eat actually gives us the energy, which then goes through the bloodstream into our brain, which gives us the power to do what we need to do. Our brain actually performs an estimated 10 quadrillion acts per second, sending electrical impulses down through our bodies into the nerve endings, into senses, into getting our muscles working, into our organs working properly, getting our heart beating, doing everything working properly. So our brain is a permanently working. It's working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And so it gets all this through the bloodstream. So obviously the blood goes out throughout the body. And there's so many different acts it performs. Just take a simple act, say, of picking a flower. You want to pick a flower. So first of all, you'll sort of see a flower. So your eyes will see the flower. You'll take the image back into your mind. Your mind will then use your thought process to think, is this something good? Is this flower something good through past memories? It'll go through the subconscious and decide, yes, if you had a good experience with the flower, it'll say that's good. If perhaps you have hay fever or you caught your thumb on a rose or something, you had a bad experience with a flower, you may think, no, the flower's a bad thing and you're going to leave it alone. If you think it's a good thing, your brain will then send electrical impulses into your muscles to move your body forward, to make your arm reach out to the right area, the right force, so it can reach the flower without actually breaking the flower. It'll then send electrical impulses down to your hand, down to your finger, to actually pick up the flower, break it off without crushing it, and bring it back. And if you then sort of sniff the flower, that starts off a whole new set of senses going through your brain as well. And this brain does all that. It works out all the forces, all the angles, all the pressure, all the balance in a fraction of a second. And that's what our brains do. That's why it can work, as I said, 10 quadrillion acts per second. That's just picking a flower. So it's doing this all day long, every day long. So obviously the better food we can give our brain and our body, the better it can all act and all work together. And as I said, the blood that goes through our whole body is the same in our body as it is in our brain. It's all the same system. So whatever food we're putting into us is going to actually generate the right blood. So we need to get the old green leafy veg into us. Get the less high sugars, less high processed foods, and more quality whole. It's called a whole food based diet, which is a whole plant based diet, which is mainly getting back to the old veg and the fruit and those sort of things instead of all the processed foods and the takeaways. And that gives our bodies the best chance to do it. Our brain is basically like a battery, and it's sending out these electrical impulses. And the way we recharge this battery is by the food we eat. So if we're giving it good quality food, getting good exercise, getting good oxygen in our hair, getting good air in our oxygen in our breath, getting good water in us, we're actually giving our bodies the best chance it can do to actually regenerate all these cells, regenerate the body, keep it all going. And it's just down to basic simple steps of eating healthy, exercising well, breathing well, and sleeping well. And that makes all the difference throughout our whole bodies. So that's just, yes, my thought today is on the health of mind-body connection. We are a mind with a body, not a body with a mind. And what we're putting in our bodies, our body uses to recreate our body and make it all healthier and keep it going stronger. That's my little thought today. Hi, Beth. All right, good morning. Time for work. Have a good one today. All the best for now. Ta-da.